Okay, good morning for this late update for today. So I start with DXY. We have had this pullback in the morning, and we saw a continuation. So I bought the Euro USD in the morning. We will look at the Euro USD chart after that. But we have done this move here. We broke through an important volume area there. And we are looking now for that 38.2 fib here, which is important, which will provide an area of support and resistances there. This is the yellow area I posted here. So if we look lower there, which could happen now or later or whenever, this area will be an area to look at with the one-to-one extension of that move down and the 38.2 fib, which is the sister fib of this 2140, 2360 we have here. You see how they have been holding the price in many occasions. They are everywhere. So it's important to look what happened when if we get there. You will see a reaction in this area for sure. I will update probably this chart a little bit later, but that's what we are looking at for now. So we are now on the 7640, 7860 fib. That's where we are, and looking for potentially the one-to-one extension there that would provide a bounce, because we are stretched with the volume indicator and the volume momentum. We are really stretched, so it needed to breathe, which is what it's doing now, by the way. So that's for the DXY. Concerning Euro USD, same thing, but on the other side. So we have this big ABC up, and we can have another one here, ABC, coming soon. This is a 5-minute chart. So if we look at it on a 15-minute chart, it's mostly the same thing. So we went to the 61.8. We stopped here on. We had a monthly. This clear green thing is a monthly resistances. We have a 38.2 fib 2 at this place. We have more resistances to come. And here we have this weekly support and quarterly order block to come. And of course, then we have a year-to-date block, a volume block in this area up there. So now it's gaining a little bit of momentum. By the way, it was a long here. I didn't took it. I was busy with the mentoring at that time, but it was a little long that we could have taken, even if the setup there was really nicely bearish because of the move we have had since the last days of the month. We had this impulsive move. No, this is this morning, but we had those impulsive move up, another impulsive move up. Today we saw very nice impulsive move up, which is what we have been waiting for. We knew it was going to happen. We had a very strong long impulsive setup, which happened now. So it's nice to see things unfolding as we expected they would do. If we look at other chart here, nothing really special. I'm just doing a quick overall. So that's the chart I have posted in the Twitter feed anyway. There is nothing special here. We went long there, short here. I'm still short from there. I think we could go a little bit lower. Now we are above the 2021 daily moving average. So it's very important to see how we close there, if we close above it or under it, and especially above or under this 7640 fib, which is an important one we have there. So we finally broke it up, and then we came back. We are still above it, but we need to see how we close. And if we would close under it, I would not be surprised, but that's something we need to see. Anyway, this incursion above the 2021 daily moving average is a very, very nice thing, and it's a good sign for a further continuation, which is what we expect, because the long-term view here is, of course, long Euro USD, as we have been since the last weeks. Quick review on the S&P 500. Same thing on the S&P 500. I call this level this morning. I think it was this one that we call here, this 1140 fib there. So we had a pullback. So I'm looking here for a pullback. The reason why is simply the we have here the price 6. We are inside the long divergence, daily dynamic divergence, a DDD, which is why we have this bounce and why we were long from the bottom on Monday or Sunday. Now we start to see some very signal pointing here and there. And the most important is the volume exhaustion we have. So on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, they are very high. So whenever we have the 15-minute and or the 5-minute coming back in the highest level, it's a short, an automatic short to take for us. So that's where we are now. So concerning Euro USD, to finish with it, we have some nice support and resistances from the price action point of view to come here. We have weeks 1 with another block there. And here we had the daily resistances there, which, by the way, has provided this pullback. And we are following this roadmap for now, looking for a potential 1-to-1 extension on the upside that we didn't touch yet. We went through the 61.8, and then probably we need to use this one. We will see how it unfolds in the next hours or days.